Hi glow getters, welcome to our channel Glowing Beauty Box. Are you tired of using harsh chemicals on your skin? Do you want to get glowing skin naturally? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're going to share with you a simple yet effective skincare routine using coconut oil that will give you glowing skin in just 7 days. We all know how frustrating it can be to deal with skin problems like acne, dark spots, and hyperpigmentation. But did you know that using harsh chemicals can actually make your skin worse? That's why we're going to share with you a natural solution that will give you glowing skin without any side effects. Coconut oil is a miracle oil that is packed with antioxidants, fatty acids, and vitamins that nourish and protect your skin. Its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties make it perfect for acne-prone skin. And the best part, it's natural and chemical-free. Now let's get started with our skincare routine. Here are the ingredients we'll be using. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. First, we'll mix together the coconut oil, honey, yogurt, turmeric powder, and lemon juice to create a face mask. Apply this mask to your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Now let's talk about how to use coconut oil with other ingredients for better results. For dark spots removal, mix 1 teaspoon of coconut oil with 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and apply it directly to the affected area. For hyperpigmentation treatment, mix 1 teaspoon of coconut oil with 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and apply it directly to the affected area. For acne-prone skin, mix 1 teaspoon of coconut oil with 1 teaspoon of tea tree oil and apply it directly to the affected area. And here are the before and after results of using coconut oil for skincare. As you can see, coconut oil has helped to reduce acne, dark spots, and hyperpigmentation, giving glowing and healthy-looking skin. So, are you ready to get glowing skin with coconut oil? Try out our skincare routine and let us know your results in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more natural beauty tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.